Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to verify MEXC account, and this tutorial will be quick and simple, so make sure to subscribe to this channel, leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now once you are logged into your MEXC account, you want to go ahead on your profile right there and click on profile. After that, you're going to go and click identification right there on the corner. And from here you will need to do either a primary KYC or advanced. So I would suggest to do advanced maybe. There you will use government issued ID and facial recognition. So you can verify via web, but you will need a camera, or you can verify it via application. So I'm just gonna go and click on verify via application. You will get a QR code which you need to scan with your phone. Now, if you already have MEXC account on your phone and the application, just go ahead and open it up. Now, once you are on your application, you want to go ahead and click on unverified option and click on verify. After that, you will need to select the document issuing country. And now once you have chosen it, you will choose either a driver's license, ID card, passport, or any other options which you see. So let's select, for example, driver's license and click continue. Now, if you are from United States, just choose the second option, or if you are not, then choose the first one. Now, you will need to take a photo of your identity document and take a selfie. Now you will need to go ahead and take a photo of front of your ID or whatever you chose to verify with. And now you will need to take a back side of your ID. Now you will need to go ahead and take a selfie. So let me do that. And now it's all submitted. After 24 hours, your verification should be approved. And if something is wrong, you will need to go ahead and do this once again. So that's pretty much it, guys, how you can go ahead and verify MEXC account. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.